Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. I'm going to show you today. I have a Peugeot 307 2006 model. I'm going to show you where's the OBD2 connector location. It's not here. Some Peugeots have inside this glove box here, but this one doesn't have anything there. It's located here in front of the gear lever. This is the flap. We need to take it out. You can use it like this flat screwdriver. I already remove it. It's underneath of this cover. You can see this is the hiding OBD port for Peugeot 307. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe now. Also press bell icon. If you have any question, comments, mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.